Drivers ready. Less than 5. Go. Goodell with the pull shot. Thurston. Hip stick. Oh boy. Hit Stockwell. Rumbling. Let's try to get this to sort out. Thurston, James, Goodell, Crandall, McKee, Tatura, Moon, and Stockwell. This is the I-Main of Super Truck sponsored by John CSR Tires. Oh, the leader in the infield taking a detour. Goodell slicing and dicing. But it's the yellow and black 73 of J.R. James coming down from 3 and 4. That's the leader Thurston taking some Brown and Goodell. Thurston with a beautiful pass. We got action down here. Go low out of 4, low out of 4, low out of 4. It's clear.
Steve Miller is timing scoring. Steve Miller, the Rocket.
J.R. James in the yellow and black. Thurston making a charge. Top fuel, Thurston. That's 1, 2, 3 down the front straightaway. Yellow, purple, and orange. Ventura running 4th. McKee 5th. Crandall 6th. Top 3 getting close. Coming up on the blue and white 69. 1, 2, 3. Nice move. Worth, we got 2.5 minutes to go. Hot action in the I-Main of Super Truck.
Go Thurston!
James, Thurston, and Goodell. J.R. James still leading the way, coming up the back of Ventura. Thurston and Goodell in tow. The purple truck of the orange. Oh, Goodell high-five Thurston on the way through. Jared up to the 2 spot. They've started to touch with J.R. James. With a minute 20 to go, the yellow and black 73 of J.R. James. If there was a Porter Marshland All-Star team, J.R. James would be on mine. And Little Valentine is correct. One minute to go, 1 minute. And that heated Thurston Goodell battle for second. Thurston cannot run any tighter if he tries. Oh, and Goodell finally finds his opening, they touch. Thurston's got 35 seconds. Top 3 hit trophies, battling for second. McKee on the same lap, about a half lap behind Thurston. 25 seconds. If Thurston's going to make something happen, he better do it in a hurry. Thurston may have to break out his top secret super line. There it is. There it is again. Here we go. Nobody drives on the ice like Steve Thurston. 5 seconds to go.
He's got skates on the inside of that car.
Last charge. Oh, geez. Everybody's done.